So I've been working on another Rank and Rent website since, it's gonna take a while before the first one is gonna get ranked. And by the way, if you didn't see that video already, you can go check it out on my profile. I did a video about another Rank and Rent website I did. So for that one, I bought a few domains, expired domains, and I actually had the old website recreated just as a static website. And then I saw actually that it started to get some visitors. So I thought, why not just make this into its own Rank and Rent website? So that's basically what I did. So I spent like a day just copying my other Rank and Rent website and then set it up here. And this is what you see. And it's really, really basic. It's sort of the same template and it's the same sort of website, just a different domain, different text, obviously, and then just a different color scheme. You can see here how it looks like. Just change everything to red, just added in some copy, and that's basically it. And now I'm just working on adding more pages and more text. So this is the same niche. So it's a moving company, but it's gonna be in a different city. So if you look at the Search Console, you can see here that it actually already have some traffic. So it's not a lot. So it have 275 exposure the past. It says the past 3 months. Let me just look how it looks if I take 16 months. So yeah, it only have data back to 23rd of May. So you can see it does get some exposure. However, it's not a lot, but at least it's something, right? Because I only released this site like a week ago or something like that, and already get traffic. And I do believe that that's attributed to me using an expired domain. So it's really, really fast that it's ranking. And then I see different keywords here that is already ranking for. So that's sort of the keywords that I actually use on the website that I'm gonna, double down on, different cities and stuff like that. So for this one, I'm gonna try to do a little bit different approach than the other Rank and Rent website, because I want to sort of do an experiment. So the other Rank and Rent website, I have bought 80 citations and just see how that works. But for this website, I think I will wait a little bit to build the citations. I just want to see what kind of an effect it has on another website. And then obviously I'll report back here on YouTube just, to show the results. And then after a couple of months, I might do citations for this site as well, if there's a good result. Because I'm just a little bit worried with all the citations and the backlinks coming from it, if it's gonna damage the site more than, benefiting it. So we'll see about that. Another sort of main difference between two sites is the other Rank and Rent website has a domain that's like exact keyword match. So it's like moving company and then city name. However, this domain here is not like that. However, I have a higher domain rating. I think the domain rating is like a 10, whereas the other one is like 9 or 7 or something. I actually can't remember. The new domain here also have more backlinks actually already from the previous owner. So there's some differences there. So we'll see how it goes. And then basically what I've done so far, I have subscribed to a PBN, so this network of sites. So I'm actually starting to do link building on this site, the other site, and some of my other businesses as well, because it's like a subscription service where I pay a fixed amount and I can do up to like 30 articles, each article having up to 2 links. So I'm gonna do like 20 or 30 articles within this month, and then I'm gonna stop that, wait for a while, and then I might do another PBN. So these PBNs is a little bit higher quality. It's actually much higher quality than the PBNs you would get from Fiverr. So this is sort of a service that you will actually have to reach out to the people and actually ask if you can get access to it. But anyway, I will also report back on that with the results further down the road. In the past video, I talked about how I managed to get a Google My Business profile and actually getting a pin on Google Maps. So in the video, I showed you how to do it, and now I actually see the result of it, and I do see the pin now on Google Maps. However, it's definitely ranking very low because I actually have to look for it very carefully to find it. So if I search for the moving company and close to where the address is, I'm gonna see it right here. So I got the pin right here. However, if I zoom out a little bit and just search by the keyword that I want to rank for, I actually don't see it at all. So it's not part of any of these results. I really have to move very close to get it. Let me just try here for a moment. So you can see it comes right here. So it's definitely not ranking very well right now. So it's gonna take a while. I'm gonna let it simmer now for a while. I'm not gonna touch too much with it. Just make it look natural. But at least it works. So if you don't know what I did, I will suggest to look at the other video I did, I think that was yesterday, where I actually show you exactly how to do it. So basically you just go create a My Business profile as a service business, and then you verify it with your email address, and after it verified, you actually change it to not a service business but to a regular physical business, where you actually input an address, and the address can basically be any address you choose from Google Maps. Just make sure it's not occupied already. It's a little bit hacky, it's a little bit black hat. However, sometimes that's what we gotta do, right? So that's how I did it. Check the other video to see how to do it exactly. So yeah, so to keep updated, just subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna make sure to report back on all the results for both my Wrangler websites. So see you next time.